Dumpster rental service in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. Are you tired of dealing with waste disposal hassles? Let Meadow Container Inc. take care of it. As your trusted dumpster rental service in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania, we offer a hassle-free solution to keep your project site clean and organized. Whether you're a homeowner tackling a renovation project, or a contractor working on a large-scale construction site, we have the perfect dumpster solution. We offer a wide range of container sizes tailored for any scale of work, from simple home renovations to extensive construction cleanups. We have you covered. Our commitment to eco-friendly practices sets us apart from the rest. With us, you can rest assured that all debris will be disposed of responsibly. We pride ourselves on delivering a hassle-free experience. Enjoy prompt service while we ensure your space is cleared responsibly. You'll have the perfect container for every load, no matter the size. We believe in prompt service, ensuring your dumpster is there when you need it. Our rentals fit all budgets, providing quality service without breaking the bank. Meadow Container Inc. prioritizes customer satisfaction in every service we provide. A clutter-free site is essential. Let us help you achieve that with ease. Our experts make sure all waste is disposed of properly and eco-consciously. We go beyond dumpsters. Our junk removal services cover it all. Call us today at 570-926-7823 to schedule your dumpster rental service in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. Visit our website for more information and book online. Meadow Container Inc., your go-to solution for responsible waste management.